Welcome to this pronunciation and vocabulary lesson from the ESL for Architecture series. Today, we'll review essential terms that architects use to describe models, drawings, and materials in a professional design context. For each word, I'll say the term first, then explain its meaning in simple English. After that, I'll pronounce it slowly using a clear respelling, then at normal speed, and finally use it in a real architectural sentence. Let's begin. Conceptual shows the design idea. Conceptual. Conceptual. This is just a conceptual model to show the design idea. Digital, made using software. Digital. Digital. We created a digital model using Rhino. Physical, built by hand using real materials. Physical. Physical. The physical model was made with foam and cardboard. Plan, top view of a space. Plan. Plan. The floor plan shows the layout from above. Elevation, side view or facade. Elevation. Elevation. This elevation shows the building's front facade. Section, cut through of a building. Section. Section. The section drawing reveals the interior structure. Conceptual drawing, basic idea, no measurements. Conceptual drawing. Conceptual drawing. This conceptual drawing explains the basic form and layout. Detailed drawing includes measurements and finishes. Detailed drawing. Detailed drawing. A detailed drawing includes exact measurements and finishes. Technical drawing, precise plan used for construction. Technical drawing. Technical drawing. We use a technical drawing to guide construction on site. Texture, surface quality, rough, smooth, etc. texture, texture. The wall's texture feels rough and unfinished. Use, the purpose of a material, structure, decoration. Use, use. Glass has many uses for light, views, and modern style. Glossy, shiny, smooth, and reflective. Glossy, glossy. The tile has a glossy surface that reflects light. Shiny, reflects light strongly. Shiny, shiny. The metal roof looks shiny in the sun. Rough, uneven, or gritty to the touch. Rough, rough. The stone facade is rough to the touch. Smooth, flat and even, not rough. Smooth, smooth. This countertop is made of smooth concrete. Comfort, a pleasant or relaxed feeling. Comfort, comfort. The new design improves comfort in the living spaces. Accessibility, how easy something is to reach or use. Accessibility, accessibility. The ramp increases accessibility for all users. Natural lighting, sunlight used to light interior spaces. Natural lighting, natural lighting. Large windows bring in natural lighting throughout the day. Thank you for watching this pronunciation and vocabulary lesson. If you'd like to keep learning, you can find more ESL for architecture brochures on Gumroad and additional tutorials, lessons, and guides on my YouTube channel. See you in the next lesson.